Hi everyone. We'll be starting. Okay, this video is related to strategy. This video is related with the strategy of last 45 days. In last 45 days, what we have to plan in order to get seat. In this crash course, we'll be providing you detailed NCERT lessons, question practice, previous year's questions, mock test will be based on new pattern and revision. If you don't follow any of this, you will be not getting a seat. So following this all of these is very important. In detail we will be seeing what we'll be doing in biology. In biology we'll be getting detailed NCERT lessons, important concepts revisions, we'll be solving PYQs, and we'll be seeing image based discussions will be, assignments will be. If you study with me biology, I will assure you will be getting 360 out of 360. And in biology we'll be discussing like important concepts, what are high yielding topics. Okay, then we'll be going to chemistry. In chemistry we have three chemistry. Physical is there, inorganic is there, and organic is there, and general chemistry is there. In general chemistry, what topics will be coming? Metallurgy and surface chemistry, chemistry in everyday life. Those topics are included in general chemistry. Okay. How we'll be dealing physical chemistry? In physical chemistry, first we'll be focusing on high weightage topics. Then formula charts will be provided to you. Most important questions practice. The questions which are going to appear in NEET 2021, those questions will be provided to you, and those questions practice will be doing in our crash course. And previous year's questions will be solving. In inorganic, detailed lessons will be taught, tips and tricks will be shared in order to remember easily. Okay, in inorganic, the detailed lessons will be taught, tips and tricks will be shared in order to remember easily. Question practice will be given and previous year's questions. In organic is a high yielding. At least we get from organic 15 questions. 15 questions will be coming from organic. So in order to solve easily, tips and tricks will be provided. Important concepts revision will be done in inorganic. In inorganic or organic also, important concept revision will be done in organic, and question practice will be done and previous year's question. If you follow my course of chemistry, I assure you will be getting 170. Definitely will be getting 170. Next we'll be going to physics. In physics, important concepts revision will be done, high yielding question practice. The questions which are likely to appear in NEET 2021, those questions practice will be doing, and previous year's questions will be doing in case of physics. This is a seat guarantee program. If you are interested, you can join my course. For more details, check description box. Check in the description box. Okay, thank you. And then we'll be seeing already first batch started from 25th July. Second batch is going to start from 31st of this month. Yeah, this is the schedule of the course. You will be having a part test and cumulative test, and then will be followed by grand test. Interested students can contact for more details, or you can check in the description box. Okay then, thank you.